Let's explore a single machines page on Nayax Core. As you can see, the machine page looks brand new, but there's much more to it than just a new look. The Overview tab displays all the information relevant to your machine. We made every widget here clickable, so feel free to dive in and explore. In the Products tab, you get a clear overview of a single machine's planogram. This may all seem familiar to you, as we have brought MoMa's ease of use to your desktop. Information about your machine is even easier to access now, since we moved your last sales and last alerts to the front as tabs. All the machine configurations have been reorganized and unified under the Settings tab for easier and more intuitive management. And finally, the Logs tab will show the logs gathered from your machine in one place. Queue, Keep Alive, Decks, and History have all moved here, so you can find that information faster. There are still more features to explore on Nayax Core. Subscribe to our channel to learn how to save time and do more with Nayax Core.